What is a settlement? Imagine you order a new phone online. You pay today. A few days later, the company delivers the phone. The deal isn't truly complete when you place the order. It's complete when both sides fulfill their obligations. You pay, they deliver. The transaction is settled. The same idea exists in derivatives. When two parties enter a derivative contract, they make promises to each other. But the contract eventually reaches a point where those promises must be fulfilled. The moment is called settlement. Settlement is simply the process of completing the obligation specified in the contract. Let's say two companies enter a forward contract on gold. Months later, the contract reaches its end date. Now it's time to settle the agreement. The buyer must do what they promised. The seller must do what they promised. Only then is the contract complete. Think of settlement as the final chapter of a derivative contract. The contract begins with an agreement, it ends with a settlement. Without settlement, the obligations remains unfinished.